What if the sun suddenly disappeared? Let's imagine a calm, sunny afternoon. Birds are chirping, the sky is blue, and somewhere, someone's probably grilling hot dogs. Now picture this. Without warning, the sun vanishes. Just poof, gone. No explosion, no fading out, just empty sky. At first, nothing happens. Strange, right? You look up. No Sunday. It's like someone turned off the universe's flashlight. The sky instantly goes black, even if it's noon. Stars appear in broad daylight. But here's the weird part. You're still warm for now. Why? Because light and heat take time to reach us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away. It takes sunlight 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So for those first 8 minutes, everything seems normal. Then, the lights go out. Boom. Darkness. Global, silent, eerie darkness. Not nighttime darkness. Worse. No moon. It needs the sun's light. No warm glow. No sunset. Just cosmic black. Panic begins. Phones light up. Where's the sun? Trends explode. Live streams of confused people pointing at the sky go viral. But soon, networks go down. Power grids collapse. Solar power, obviously gone. Satellites, losing connection. And then, the cold creeps in. Without sunlight, temperatures plummet. Within 24 hours, Earth's surface drops below freezing. After a week, minus 73 degrees Celsius, minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Oceans begin to freeze over from the top, but deep beneath the ice, they stay liquid for a while, thanks to the heat of the Earth's core. Humanity, it's desperate. Cities move underground, trying to stay warm near geothermal vents. Nuclear reactors, coal plants, anything that still works becomes sacred. Countries unite, sort of, to build underground survival bunkers. Above ground, it's a frozen wasteland. But wait, it gets worse. Photosynthesis stops, plants begin to die. Within weeks, crops wither. No plants equals no oxygen production equals bad news. Herbivores starve, carnivores follow, humans cling to canned beans and lab grown meat. The atmosphere itself begins to freeze. Gases like nitrogen and oxygen, under extreme cold, start condensing and falling as snow. Yes, air snow, not romantic. Then comes the gravitational horror. The sun's disappearance means its gravitational pull vanishes too. Earth is no longer in orbit. It flies straight into space at 108,000 kilometers per hour, 67,000 miles per hour, like a bullet from a cosmic slingshot. No orbit, no anchor, just drifting into the unknown. With no sun to orbit, Earth becomes a rogue planet, floating through the void. And we haven't even mentioned the tides. The moon stays, for now, but without the sun's gravity, its own orbit might go nuts. Tidal patterns break, coastal regions freeze, sea life collapses, whales, fish, corals, gone. And the emotional damage? Depression rates skyrocket. People try to simulate sunlight with UV lamps, glowing ceilings, or old lava lamps. But it's not the same. There's no morning, no time, just endless black. Could we survive? Maybe, for a while, but without a massive global shift in how we live and breathe and eat and stay warm, our odds aren't great. The Earth's surface becomes uninhabitable in months. Underground shelters might last a few decades, but sooner or later, even those start failing. All of this because the sun took a day off, forever. So next time you feel like skipping your sunscreen, remember that giant ball of fire in the sky, it's not just annoying, it's literally everything keeping us alive. You might hate sunburns, but trust me, no sun is a lot worse. Is